How to fix Flash not working on Snapchat. If the flash is not working on Snapchat, it can be caused by several factors, and here is a step by step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. First of all, let's open the App Store from your home screen. Now, once inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar at the bottom right corner of your screen, and in the search bar, type down Snapchat and hit enter. We need to update the Snapchat app in order to fix the flash. Now, tap on the Snapchat, and there if you see update icon available, then update it to the latest version. Ensure you are using the latest version of Snapchat, as bugs are often fixed in updates. Now, once you have updated, go to the settings app on your mobile device. Go to the home screen, tap on the settings, and once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. If you are using Android, then you can clear cache with settings, apps, and Snapchat. Now here, simply tap on the iPhone storage. Then tap on the Snapchat from the listed apps available here. And once inside the Snapchat, simply tap on the offload app option available there and upload and reinstall the Snapchat app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.